One of the biggest developments in global finance in recent years has been the growth of digital currencies known as cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. These currencies are unconnected to governments and they're based on what's called blockchain technology. But as an investment, they're extremely risky.
But they're basically a new form of currency. Over the years, we've had things like potatoes being used as currency, actual gold and silver coins, and then we switched to paper money, to the IOUs that we now have today, and digital currencies are just a new form of currency. Now, investing in that, I think, is problematic because it's unknown. We have seen them as an asset class doing incredibly well in recent years, but that doesn't mean they can't crash. And in fact, a lot of them have been very volatile. There are literally thousands of them. I think there's a lot of noise around cryptocurrencies on social media and a lot of stories of people getting incredibly rich through investing in them. And once you hear get rich quick stories, to me, that screams alarm bell, alarm bell. If people are getting rich very quickly in a very short space of time from this, it means it's incredibly high risk.
Of course, there's nothing wrong with taking a gamble if that's what you really want to do, but it doesn't make sense to invest more than a very small proportion of your overall portfolio. You should also be prepared to lose your entire stake.
I've also spoken to experienced investors who've been investing in stock markets for many years. Some of those are putting small amounts into Bitcoin, for example, but we're talking about 1 or 2% of their overall portfolio. We're not talking about putting, thousands and thousands and thousands of pounds in and taking big punts on these things.
Cryptocurrencies are especially popular with younger people, some of whom are even borrowing money to invest in them. For Moira O'Neill, that's very concerning.
I think if you don't understand something fully, you shouldn't be investing in it. And I think that's a really important lesson to communicate to young people who may be putting their money in. Do you really understand what it is? We need to be aware that, our money that we've earned is precious, and we must be putting it into things that we really know are solid, long-term assets that are going to deliver for us. And I'm not sure cryptocurrency fits into that category at the moment.
Cryptocurrencies, in short, sound exciting, but the mundane reality is that sensible investing is actually quite dull. If it's excitement you really crave, you might want to consider something like a bungee jump instead.